I'm sure you've heard the news. Sugary snacks and stress harm your skin, but a few simple foods can actually protect your face. Skin problems often start from inflammation and weak barriers. Solution: eat foods that calm inflammation. Solution: eat foods that boost collagen. Solution: eat foods that fight bacteria. First, omega-3 rich foods reduce redness and keep skin supple. Salmon, fatty fish loaded with omega-3s for skin. Walnuts, nuts rich in omega-3s and healthy fats. Chia seeds, packed with plant-based omega-3s. Next, vitamin C powerhouses rebuild collagen and keep skin firm. Bell peppers, bright and loaded with vitamin C. Oranges, classic vitamin C fruit for skin repair. Strawberries, tasty vitamin C boost for collagen production. Don't forget zinc and probiotics to heal acne and balance bacteria. Yogurt, probiotic rich to balance skin bacteria. Kefir, fermented drink full of gut-friendly probiotics. Pumpkin seeds, zinc-rich seeds that support skin healing. Add colorful foods for antioxidants protecting against UV and pollution. Spinach, leafy greens high in antioxidant nutrients. Blueberries, antioxidant-rich berries for skin protection. Sweet potatoes, full of beta-carotene antioxidants. Swap sugary drinks for green tea to cut inflammation. Snack on nuts instead of chips for healthier fats. These foods won't cure everything, but they strengthen defenses fast. Try them for a month and watch your face thank you.